Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know you have a bad belt tensioner, bad pulley, or bad serpentine belt? If you're hearing noise coming from the engine bay, for example, you're hearing a growling noise or squealing noise or squeaking noise or chirping noise and so on, the first place you should always check is a bad belt tensioner. This part here is an automatic belt tensioner. If you look at the automatic belt tensioner, there's also a pulley on it. So the purpose of the automatic belt tensioner is to apply tension on the belt. There should be no more than ½ an inch deflection. As you can see, this belt, I can twist it all the way easily, and this is a sign that the automatic belt tensioner is weak. Also, if you pull on the automatic belt tensioner and you could easily pull on it like this, that could be another sign that the automatic belt tensioner is becoming weak. So when the automatic belt tensioner becomes weak, this can cause the belt to slip on the pulley, and this can cause a squealing noise, squeaking noise, chirping noise, and so on. Next, make sure the serpentine belt is not misaligned. Make sure the belt is properly on the groove on the pulley. If the belt is misaligned, this can cause the belt to rapidly wear out. Next, make sure that the belt is in good condition. Make sure there are no cracks, make sure there are no abrasion, and make sure the belt is not glazed. The fastest way to tell if you have a serpentine belt issue or a pulley issue is to remove the serpentine belt. If you remove the serpentine belt and the noise goes away, that's how you know you're going to have a pulley issue. If you have a bad pulley is going to make a growling noise or a metallic noise. The reason why it makes that noise is because the pulley has a bearing in it. So make sure to check each pulley by spinning it and listen for noise. Always start with the automatic belt tensioner and spin it. And also make sure to rock the pulley back and forth. Make sure there should be no movement. So next, check the alternator pulley. Spin it and rock it. Next, check the idler pulley. Spin it and rock it. So make sure to check every single pulley. If you have a bad crankshaft pulley or a harmonic balancer pulley, this will always make noise regardless if the serpentine belt is on it or not. If you look at the crankshaft pulley, there is a rubber on it, and when this rubber starts to deteriorate, this can cause the crankshaft pulley to separate, and this will cause a lot of noise. Also, this will cause the pulley to start to wobble, and this can cause the serpentine belt to slip off. So that's how you check for a bad automatic belt tensioner, bad serpentine belt, or bad pulley. I hope you found that video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.